Hello folks, this is PV Tech once more at AW site in Western Kisumu. As you can see, we are building the infrastructure for the interface of the power plant to the main house. The infrastructure is being laid to interface the two buildings, and that's the utility house over there, but the whole structure that I'm showing is all the solar power plant, as you probably already have in the previous videos. So over here, the conduits are being laid underground to export power from the powerhouse here, which will have two systems, 110 60 hertz, 240 50 hertz for different applications or equipments. The trenching of the interface from the utility house, as you can see, is ongoing. Underground pipes are being laid, as you can see on the wall here. That's going to be the connection point from the meter box to the powerhouse, then back to the main house using these conduits as laid over here. So if you follow me, you can see the conduits, pipes are already in place, but it's still work in progress, lots of work. And as I follow this terrain, here goes the conduits of pipes. They'll keep on going. This part of the trench is yet to be laid, but this will go all the way to interface the power plant to the main house at this location. And as I transition, you can see that this meter box is here, but it's going to be removed from here to go to the powerhouse, and the interface cables will replace this meter box, so that the cables underground will provide all the power needed into the main house. And just as I said, we have two systems, 110 60 hertz, 240 50 hertz. So you can't complain when you come to this client's facility that the system doesn't support your gadgets. Stay tuned, as we will start the installation or the building of the power plant sometime next week. The modules and other value chains that interfaces to the modules to produce the power needed for this structure. Have a good day. Bye.